Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Report's online morning update for the 16th of February 2012. International markets were collectively weaker overnight, weighed down by negative developments out of the US and Europe. Wall Street failed to fire despite yesterday's buoyant Asian session, with EU officials delaying a decision on whether to grant Greece a bailout until early next week. Investors became increasingly agitated over the hostile standoff involving Greece and the EU, with regional officials refusing to release aid unless the country commits to deeper austerity measures. In the US, the latest Fed minutes highlighted resistance on the part of some members towards another round of bond buying. The diminished prospect for QE3 disappointed those who were hoping for a new injection of liquidity into the market. The risk-off environment didn't translate into wholesale declines for commodities. Precious metals were mostly higher, with gold snapping its losing streak and silver strengthening on the back of data showing an acceleration in New York area manufacturing activity. Supply fears provided support for oil, which rose another 1% after Iran reportedly cut its crude exports to European countries. The euro was the big loser from the Greek debt standoff, weakening against both the yen and the US dollar. The shared currency erased earlier gains that were triggered by reports China was looking to buy European sovereign debt. Our dollar held firm against the greenback, but is set to take its cues today from domestic employment data, which is slated for release at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Overnight, the SPY failed to clear the resistance zone around 42.20. From there, it was all downhill, with the SPY eventually breaching a key support area through 41.90. The Aussie market is on track for a downbeat start to today's session. SPY futures are currently pointing to a 30-point loss on the open.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.